In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle situations where Google Drive takes an unexpectedly long time to process your large video files. This can often be a source of frustration, especially when you're in a hurry to share or access those videos. So let's explore several methods that can help alleviate these issues and possibly speed up the process. First off, let's talk about the most straightforward approach. Wait it out. Google Drive, depending on the file size, especially high definition or 4K videos, can take some time, anywhere from a few minutes to several hours to process. It's a good practice to give it about 10 to 15 minutes and then refresh the page to check if the video processing has completed. Patience here really is key. Next, let's consider your internet connection. Slow uploads or any interruptions during the upload process can result in delays during video processing. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If possible, try re-uploading the video over a wired connection, which often provides faster and more reliable upload speeds compared to Wi-Fi. Another practical solution is to reduce the size or resolution of your video. Larger files, those over 1 gigabyte or with high resolutions like 4K, require longer processing times. To evaluate whether this is the issue, you can convert your video to a smaller resolution, such as 1080p or 720p. There are some excellent free tools available, like Handbrake or VLC Media Player, that make compressing or converting videos quite straightforward. By reducing the file size, you might see a significant improvement in processing times. Sometimes, the issue might be related to your browser. Browser-related issues can crop up, especially if your cache is full. It's advisable to clear your cache and cookies. If you're using Chrome, you can do this by navigating to Settings, then Privacy, and selecting Clear Browsing Data. After clearing your cache, or if you're still experiencing trouble, try switching to a different browser such as Edge or Firefox and see if the problem persists. Refreshing Google Drive from this new browser might help resolve processing issues. Finally, if none of these methods seem to help and the video is still stuck, consider re-uploading. First, delete the original file from Google Drive and then upload the video again. It can be beneficial to rename the file, ensuring that it doesn't contain any special characters or spaces, as these can sometimes hinder smooth processing. These strategies often help in smoothing out any delays you might experience with video processing on Google Drive. Each method addresses a different aspect of the potential issues, from internet connectivity to file format concerns, and with a little troubleshooting,